Good morning. Today we are continuing working with those percentages, and we are doing CO22. I can convert a percentage to a decimal. We've done decimal to percent. We've worked with the fractions and the percent. Now we are going from percent to decimal. So remember how we converted the decimal to the percent. That was CO19. Because a decimal written to the hundredths place represents a value out of 100, it also represents the percentage. So we're going to review converting from a decimal to a percentage with the following values. I would like you to convert those to percentages, and we're going to go over the answers that you get. So remember how to turn our decimals into a percent and write down the percentages right now. So turn each of those decimals into the correct percentage. What is 45 hundredths? What percent? Claire?
45%.
45%. I've had some friends who put that percentage sign in the front. Percentage signs don't go in the front. Make sure that percentage sign is going at the back of your number. 22 hundredths, Jude. 4 tenths, James.
40%.
1 and 36 hundredths, Elsa. 18 hundredths, Kyle.
18%.
And 6 hundredths, Christian.
6%.
Good. Everybody following along, remembering how we did those? Thumbs up or thumbs down? How are we doing? Matthew, thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay. All right, so now we're going to go the other way from that percentage to the decimal. The percentages out of 100 is equivalent to the decimal to the hundredths place. So if we look at our percentages, they always go, that last number is going to be in the hundredth place. So this would be in the hundredth place. This is where people make common mistakes. So let me erase and scroll up. For example, 59% literally means 59 out of 100 or 59 hundredths or 0.59. Another example, 110% literally means 110 out of 100. So we have that one whole and then 10 more. So 1 and 10 hundredths. So if we convert each percent to a decimal, what would 33% be? Olivia?
0.33.
0.33, because that last number of our percent needs to be in the hundredth place. What would 21% be, Christian?
0.21.
0.21. What would 9% be, Adeza?
0.09.
0.09, because that last number of our percentage has to be in that hundredth place. What if we have a number that's in the 100%? What would 180% be, Blakely?
1.80.
You could put 1.80. You could put 1.8. So 1 and 80 hundredths or 1 and 8 tenths. They both are the same value. They are equivalent. So I would accept either one. Just remember that if we are over 100%, that number goes into the that whole place, in the ones place. Henry.
Don't you feel like 33, 21, 29%? Should we have to have the zero? Can we just put 0.0?
Oh, good question. What do you guys think is the proper math? If we have a decimal place and we fill in the tenths and the hundredth, do we need to have anything in the ones place? What do you think? Proper math says we put a zero in that ones place, or if we have a whole number to put in that ones place, proper math says you fill it in. So put a zero in it. I'm not going to mark it wrong if you forget. Okay. But proper math, let's fill it in. Emerson.
For the 7%, when you make it a decimal, do you have to add the zero to it?
Same thing as down here. 1 in 80 hundredths or 1 in 8 tenths, it means the same. You don't have to put a zero into the hundredths place because they are equivalent. Okay. So I'll accept either way. Olivia?
Oh,
All right, let's look at the second part of today's assignment. It's review time. So you're going to review it. It's different than the one I have in my book. So you're going to go back and forth between fractions, decimals, and percents. They will give it to you one way. They give it to you as a percent. You need to write it in the other two ways. You need to write the fraction and the decimal. If you are doing a fraction, do you need to simplify it? Oh, I should see every single person saying, yes, we will simplify our fractions. Simplify, simplify, simplify. Unless we're doing equivalent fractions. We are not doing equivalent fractions here, so we must simplify. So whatever form they give you, you need to do the other two forms. Any questions on today's assignment? When you are finished with today's assignment, still talking. We have Khan Academy due tomorrow. If you did not turn your math packet in yesterday, make sure you get it turned in. Okay? Math packets were due yesterday. So get that turned in. Math Masters binder. If you have practice work, there's still a few of us wanting to do some retakes this Friday, so do your practice work. That's it for the math because I don't have the new math packet yet. I'm trying to get the master from Mr. Schultz so I can make that so we can get it sooner rather than later. And then it's quiet work time. We have 25 minutes of work time. If you are watching this at home, I hope you are well. I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.